President Draupadi Murmu has given her assent to two key bills passed by Parliament on August 10, 2026. The bill received presidential assent on August 17, according to a Gazette notification issued by the Ministry of Law. One of the new laws is the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Act 2026. The other amends the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. The taxation law is aimed at attracting more foreign investment and supporting domestic electronics manufacturing. It also seeks to make it easier for foreign cloud service providers to use Indian data centers by providing greater process certainty. The second amendment changes the legal framework for merchant discount rates or MDR on digital payments. It allows the government to notify which electronic payment modes or transactions will remain exempt from MDR. Currently, banks and payment system providers cannot charge users MDR on UPI and RuPay debit cards transactions. Currently, banks and payment system providers cannot charge users MDR on UPI and RuPay debit card transactions. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had clarified during the parliamentary debate that UPI payments will remain free for consumers. She had also said that if MDR is introduced in the future, it would apply only to certain categories of merchant transactions. The amendments therefore give the government greater flexibility over the MDR framework.